So if my car has 5 neutrals instead of 1 neutral and gears, I will replace the transmission in it like I just did on this one. It's a Remain LKQ, not a Remain, a used one from LKQ. That's the one I just pulled out of this 2014 Honda Accord CVT. This is the hybrid subframe, half aluminum, half steel. I call it the hybrid. But she is almost ready. That's the new transmission. I just got done with the starter. I'll get the motor mount bracket bolts all the way in, and then the next thing you see, the subframe is back in.